1 Minute Arabic, Lesson 5.
Welcome to 1 Minute Arabic from the Radio Lingua Network.
We're here to teach you some Arabic 1 minute at a time. We're sticking with the language topic in this lesson.
The clock is ticking.
So let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. Do you remember what this means?
آسف لا أفهم.
It's I'm sorry, I don't understand. What about this phrase?
أنا أتكلم العربية قليلا.
This phrase means that you speak a little Arabic and hopefully you're beginning to feel more confident about your Arabic now. Today we're going to learn how to say I'm learning Arabic. You would say
أنا أتعلم العربية.
Now that probably sounds quite familiar. The phrase for I am learning is very similar to the phrase for I speak. Murad, can we hear I am learning again?
أنا أتعلم.
And what is the word for I speak?
أنا أتكلم.
So there's just one sound different in those two phrases. Let's hear I'm learning
أنا أتعلم.
and I speak.
أنا أتكلم.
So in this lesson, we're concentrating on I am learning Arabic. Let's hear that phrase again.
أنا أتعلم العربية.
Repeat it after Murad one more time.
أنا أتعلم العربية.
You may also want to add this phrase.
تعلم العربية صعب جدا.
This means learning Arabic is quite difficult. Try saying learning Arabic is quite difficult after Murad.
تعلم العربية صعب جدا.
Try it again.
تعلم العربية صعب جدا.
Now, here's a real challenge for you. Try to put both phrases together, and Murad will say this slowly so that you can hear how to say I am learning Arabic. Learning Arabic is quite difficult.
أنا أتعلم العربية. تعلم العربية صعب جدا.
Okay, listen again. Murad will say this more slowly this time.
أنا أتعلم العربية. تعلم العربية صعب جدا.
And one more time at normal speed.
أنا أتعلم العربية. تعلم العربية صعب جدا. And that's the end of this lesson.
Hopefully, you're not finding Arabic too difficult. Most of all, we hope that you're finding your experience learning Arabic with this course enjoyable. In the meantime, thanks for listening, and come back next time to learn more Arabic with the Radio Lingua Network.
شكرا. مع السلامة.
This is a production of the Radio Lingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.